Is your HVAC system performing at its best? If you're unsure, a professional inspection can make all the difference. Hidden issues inside your heating and cooling system can lead to higher energy bills, poor airflow, and unexpected breakdowns. That's why homeowners in Paoli, Pennsylvania, trust PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for detailed and reliable HVAC inspections. Our experienced technicians perform a comprehensive inspection of your entire HVAC system. We examine critical components including filters, electrical connections, thermostat settings, and system controls. We also evaluate airflow and ductwork to ensure your system is distributing air efficiently throughout your home. Using professional diagnostic tools, we identify potential problems early, before they turn into costly repairs. After the inspection, we provide clear recommendations to help you improve performance, efficiency, and overall comfort. With a proper HVAC inspection, you gain peace of mind knowing your system is safe, efficient, and ready for any season. Why is an HVAC inspection important? Regular inspections help detect small issues early, improve energy efficiency, extend system lifespan, and prevent unexpected breakdowns. How often should I schedule an HVAC inspection? It is recommended to schedule HVAC inspections at least once or twice a year, usually before the heating and cooling seasons. Can an HVAC inspection improve energy efficiency? Yes. Identifying and fixing inefficiencies during an inspection can help reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. Where is PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road number 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.